doing the classic and most favorite upon all the elders and parents, Nqaj Ntseg. Nqaj Ntseg is pretty much just a roasted herb fish that is marinated and stuffed with lots of fresh herbs and spices and cooked in banana leaves, and it's eaten with rice or sticky rice. You guys can make this with any other protein you guys like, but this time we're just doing the classic fish, and I'll show you guys how it's done in our house. My mom will show you guys. Actually, she's just finished cleaning up the fish that my dad got from the ocean. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn something. So yeah, let's go cook. Let's go.
Nồi lấy hot cho kê tất cả nồi rốt tất cả nồi rốt tất nhiều nồi rốt tất cả thì nồi lọ.
And banana leaves, fresh banana leaves recommended if you guys can find it. Mushroom seasoning, fish sauce, and salt. And some perch. This is perch that my dad got at the ocean. But you guys can use any kind of fish. Yeah, you can do salmon, trout, perch, any other white fish you guys like. Go ahead and cut the herbs into smaller pieces. Coriander seeds. I wanna know. Caesar. She won't pour.
Để mất trà lại nó để mất cho bột lên ta lên lúc xa nữa để lúc xa nhau lúc xa chữ nè để chữ lên nó sẽ
The belly part?
the belly part còn nó chỉ ra chữ còn nó cho hiện nó chỉ tặng chữ để muốn trở đi nữa.
Banana leaf cover.
Đấy là shallow nó để lên mà một là banana kệ để lên mà một tung chết xa cái gì nó cô này chắc chắn.
You can also deep fry the fish before you add in the herbs, and then we're gonna cook it even more in the oven, or you don't have to deep fry it, but this is another option you guys can do, and it's really tasty as well. It looks freaking bomb just like this already. Oh my gosh. Oh.
It's been 1 hour. Okay, now ที่เราแต่มาเก็บ take off the banana leaf. Shallow there, just pain.
Stick it back in.
Until it's dry. Okay, something non punan tao lang okay. It's ready to eat now. Kain.
This is the deep fried version one that my mom also cooked again in the oven. So this is what it looks like. Really nice.
Cái ý lên nó tay tuần chơi.
Kapag pinapit ka ba?